Hi there, welcome to the channel. It's JK here, and this is how you can make a video or a voice call on WhatsApp. Now, without much ado, let's get right in. First thing to note, both you and the one you are calling needs to have access to internet connection on your device, either through a mobile data or Wi-Fi connection. With that said and done, open your WhatsApp application, tap on the contact, or better still, use the search bar to search for the contact. So to make the video call, you tap on the camera icon at the top here. On the screen, you have calling, but ideally you should have ringing, meaning the person I'm trying to reach doesn't have access to internet connection. So what I even advise you do is, even before you make the call, you can just send a simple message, hi, just to confirm the person you are calling has access to internet connection. So as you can see, I have just one check, meaning the message has been sent but not yet delivered to the recipient. And this usually is because the person doesn't have access to internet connection or the person has blocked you. But in this case, I have not been blocked. When the person has access to internet connection, it should show a double tick. So let's try now. Call. So as you can see, you now have ringing instead of the calling. So let me answer from the other end. Okay, so on this screen, I have the flashlight. Turn the flashlight on or off. I can add another person from here. Or come to the bottom here. You can switch the camera from the front camera. So this is the front camera. You can switch it to the back. You can share your phone screen with this feature. You can mute the video here and only use a voice call. So now we are using just the voice. The video has been muted. And then you can mute the audio here and then end the call here. End the call with this. You can switch the video by tapping on it. So you tap here to switch. Tap here. So that's it for this video. Hope it was helpful. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to this channel for more. See you in the next one.